You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 4/3. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3/2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the fraction. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Remove the ones. And so the final result is x equals 4/3.